Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all in good health. I am your instructor Sadia Hamid from Department of Chemistry. Students, today we are going to discuss about phenol. At the end of this lecture, you must be able to know about the different method of preparation of phenol. You must be able to know about the reactivity of phenol, that why phenol is more reactive as compared to benzene. Previously, we have discussed about the acidity of phenol, their physical properties of phenol, and the structure of phenol. Now let's moving towards another heading, that is preparation of phenol. Phenol can be prepared by the different method. First is reaction of sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide, base hydrolysis of chlorobenzene, acidic oxidation of cumene, and preparation of phenol from aryl diazonium salt. First one is reaction of sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Sodium benzene sulfonate on fusion with strong alkali, that is NaOH at 300 degrees centigrade, it gives sodium phenoxide, which on treatment with HCl give phenol. If we have benzene, salt of benzene sulfonic acid, that is a sodium salt of benzene sulfonate, and sodium salt of benzene sulfonate is obtained if benzene is treated with sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid, that is a sulfonation take place on the benzene ring, so it is converted into sodium salt of benzene sulfonate, and this salt of benzene sulfonate is react with 10% of NaOH at 300 degrees centigrade, it is converted into sodium phenoxide ion. This sodium phenoxide ion is react with HCl, acidification take place, and it is converted into phenol and NaCl. Next method for the preparation of phenol is base hydrolysis of chlorobenzene, and this method is known as DOE method. It is the industrial preparation of phenol. Chlorobenzene is hydrolyzed by heating with 10% NaOH at 360 degrees centigrade under a very high pressure to form sodium phenoxide ion, which are treated with HCl give phenol. Chlorobenzene when react with NaOH, it is converted into phenoxide ion, sodium phenoxide ion, and this sodium phenoxide ion is react with HCl, it is converted into phenol and NaCl. This process is known as DOE process. Now let us discuss the mechanism of reaction. This reaction occur in the two steps. The base which is present in the reaction mixture, it remove the hydrogen from the alpha carbon. The carbon next to chlorine is known as alpha carbon, and hydrogen which is present on this alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. So base which is present in the reaction mixture is taken up these alpha hydrogen. When alpha hydrogen is removed, it is converted into the intermediate in which negative charge is present on the carbon. So carb anion is formed as an intermediate. When carb anion is formed, then the chlorine will get depart, because chlorine is a good leaving group. And when chlorine will depart, it is converted into benzene intermediate. In benzene intermediate, triple bond is formed between the two sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and these extra pi bond which is present outside the ring, it is a unstable structure, so this pi bond is shifted towards the carbon again, and when it is shifted towards the carbon, then it creates the positive charge on the next carbon, and it is site for the nucleophilic attack of the species. So in this case, nucleophile which is present in the reaction mixture OH, it will attack on the carbon on which positive charge is present. when the negative charge is present on the carbon, so in this step proton is transferred from these oxygen to the carbon, and when proton is transferred, then Fe oxide ion is formed, and these Fe oxide ion is react with Na positive which is present in the reaction mixture. It is converted into the sodium Fe oxide ion, and sodium Fe oxide ion is react with HCl. It converted into phenol, and NaCl is removed in the last step. So in the Dopre process, first chlorination take place on the benzene ring. Chlorobenzene, it is treated with NaOH. It is converted into sodium phenoxide ion, and these sodium phenoxide ion react with HCl. It is converted into phenol and NaCl. Next method for the preparation of phenol is acidic oxidation of cumene. Cumene is the special name of the compound in which isopropyl group is attached on the benzene ring. This compound is known as cumene, and oxidation take place in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. It is converted into phenol. It is recently developed commercial method for the preparation of phenol. Cumene is oxidized by atmospheric oxygen in the presence of metal catalyst. It is converted into cumene hydroperoxide, and this cumene hydroperoxide is converted into phenol through an acid catalyzed rearrangement of the different step. So first when isopropyl, this group is isopropyl, when it is attached on the benzene ring, this compound is known as cumene. In the presence of oxygen, it is converted into cumene hydroperoxide. These cumene hydroperoxide react with HCl or sulfuric acid. It is converted into phenol and acetone. Phenol and ketonic group are present. Mechanism of the reaction. Isopropyl benzene. In isopropyl benzene, the homolytic cleavage take place between the carbon and hydrogen. This mechanism proceed via free radical mechanism. The homolytic cleavage take place, and one electrons shifted toward the carbon, and another electron is shifted toward the hydrogen. These isopropyl benzene is react with oxygen molecule. As we know that there is a double bond present between the oxygen molecule, so these oxygen molecule also undergoes the homolytic cleavage, and one oxygen get one electron and another oxygen get another electron. And so these oxygen molecule attacked on the carbon which have the odd number of electron, and it make the single covalent bond with that carbon. So single covalent bond is sigma bond is formed between carbon and oxygen, and another sigma bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. When sigma bond is formed, then protonation take place, and this OH group is converted into OH2. Why a protonation take place? Because OH group is not a good leaving group. So when protonation take place, it make or it create a very good leaving group. It is converted into the water. Water is a good leaving group. So in this step, water is removed from the reaction. When water is removed from the reaction, it creates the positive charge on the oxygen, because this bond will be break. When the positive charge on the oxygen, and we know that positive charge on oxygen is a very unstable species, because oxygen is electronegative species. So in this step, phenyl shifting take place. Phenyl from its lone pair of electron, it will shift towards the oxygen. This bond will be break, and this whole phenyl group is shift toward these positive charge oxygen and make the sigma bond with these oxygen. When it make the sigma bond with these oxygen, then the positive charge is created on the carbon, because the bond between carbon and phenyl group is break. And now when the positive charge is created on the carbon, the water which is present in the reaction mixture, it is act as a nucleophile. It will attack on the positive charge on the carbon. When these water make the positive charge on the carbon, it create the positive charge on the oxygens, and in this step intermolecular proton transfer take place, and the bond between oxygen and hydrogen will be break, and these proton will make the bond with the oxygen. When this make the bond with the oxygen, then it also create the positive charge on the oxygen, and when positive charge on the oxygen is formed, then this bond will be break, and it is converted into phenol. When this bond is break, the sigma bond between oxygen and carbon is break, then it create the positive charge on the carbon, that carbocation is formed. When the carbocation is formed, then the any nucleophile that is present in the reaction mixtures, or we say the pi lone pair of electron of oxygen is shifted between these carbon and oxygen. Deprotonation take place. The bond between oxygen and hydrogen is break, and the electron will shift towards the carbon and oxygen, and it is converted into acetone. So we end up getting the acetone and phenol. First we take cumene, oxidation take place, cumene is converted into hydrogen, cumene hydroperoxide, and when cumene hydroperoxide, this species is known as cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide acidification or protonation take place, and it is converted into phenol and acetone. Last method for the preparation of phenol is preparation of phenol from aryl diazonium salt. Aryl diazonium salt are prepared by reaction of aryl amine with nitrous acid. When aryl amine is react with nitrous acid in the presence of NaNO2 and HCl, it is converted into aryl diazonium ion. These aryl diazonium ion can be converted into phenol in the presence of water and sulfuric acid. Now understand the mechanism behind the reaction. Let's first talk about how NaNO2 and HCl react with each other. That is the first step of mechanism. NaNO2 group is protonated by the HCl. This is just acid-base reaction. We form this as a product. Then another HCl in the solution protonate the same oxygen. Now it convert into water, which is better leaving group. Water will remove as a leaving group, so we end up with water as a product and N double bond O positive ion, which is known as nitrosonium ion. So going back to the reaction here, NaNO2 and HCl react each other to create the N positive double bond O. Here this N double bond O react with amine. Now looks at the mechanism how this is going to happen. The first step here is NH2 group in benzene ring attack this N positive ion and creating a bond between two nitrogens, giving us this result over here. Then we add some base over here. These base taken up the H positive and leave the electron on nitrogen, which called nitrosoamine. And the mechanism keeps going here. The acid react on these intermediate. Hb represent an acid. As you know that diazonium reactions occur in the presence of HCl. So there is a plenty of acid in these reactions. Hb represent any acid. The electrons on nitrogen will move between two nitrogen, and pi bond between nitrogen and oxygens go out and taken up the H positive from acid, and we end up something look like this. The acid donates it H positive and leave behind the B negative in the reaction mixture. Now this B negative, which is just like the anion, it taken up these H positive, and we end up this product right over here. Protonation take place and OH is protonate and it is converted into OH2, which is a better leaving group. As soon as it is converted into OH2 positive, the electron from nitrogen is again moved between N double bond N, and it is converted into diazonium ion. When aryl diazonium ion is formed, now nitrogen is removed from the reaction mixtures in the stable N2 gas and leaving behind the positive charge on the benzene ring. This positive charge is unstable on the benzene ring, so in the presence of water it is converted into phenol. Water is now act as a nucleophile. It will attack on the positive center of the benzene ring and make the bond sigma bond between the carbon and oxygen. Deprotonation take place and water is now act as a base. It taken up the H positive ion from the reaction mixture and converted into phenol. Now going back to the reaction here, in the first step, amine in the presence of nitrous acid, it is converted into aryl diazonium ion. These aryl diazonium ion in the presence of water and sulfuric acid, it is converted into phenol. These are some of the method for the preparation of phenol. Now let us discuss the reactivity of phenol. Phenol are very reactive towards electrophilic aromatic substitutions reaction. This is because hydroxyl group is electron donating group or strongly activating group, and strongly activating group are also known as ortho-para directing group. Ortho-para directing group mean whenever substitutions take place in the presence of these group, we will obtain either as para isomers or ortho isomers. OH group is electron donating group. It donates its electron towards the benzene ring, mean it's increase the electronic density on the benzene ring and increase the electronic density at ortho and para position more than meta positions. That why substitutions occur at ortho and para positions. And phenols are so activated, and sometimes poly substitutions can be problem. We can obtain not only one isomers but poly substituted product is obtained whenever substitutions take place. So strong activation often mean that milder reaction condition than those used for benzene itself can be used here. For example, nitration. For nitration, if nitration take place in benzene, we use concentrated nitric acid along with sulfuric acid. But whenever phenol OH group is present on the benzene ring, then nitration take place in the presence of dilute nitric acid. Similarly, sulfonation take place on benzene in the presence of sulfuric acid, or fumic sulfuric acid can be used. But when phenol is present and sulfonation take place, then we use only concentrated sulfuric acid. Similarly, halogenation take place in the presence of catalyst, that we used iron and iron halide halogen. But in the when halogenation take place on the phenol, the only halogen is used in the reaction mixture. No catalyst is used in these reactions. And whenever alkylation take place, these alkylation take place in the presence of Lewis acid, which is used as the catalyst along with the alkyl halide. Similarly, when alkylation take place on phenol, we used alkyl halide in the presence of simple H positive ion, or we also use as the Lewis catalyst. Acylation take place on the benzene ring. We also used Lewis acid, that is ammonium chloride, or we also used acid halide. Similar reaction condition are required if acylation take place on phenol. And nitrosation reaction take place on phenol in the presence of sodium nitrite and H positives. So phenol are highly activated compound, and polysubstitutions product will be obtained if all these reactions take place. Next electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol is reaction with sodium metal. This reaction is also known as carboxylation of phenol, and it is also known as Kolbe's reaction. Carboxylation is a chemical reaction in which carboxylic acid group is produced by treating a substrate with carbon dioxide. In this reaction, sodium salt of phenol react with carbon dioxide. It is converted into sodium salicylate. This reaction is also known as carbonation of phenol. At low temperature, around about 15 degrees centigrade, orthosodium salicylate is produced, whereas at very high temperature, parasodium silate is produced. In this reaction, first phenol is react with sodium hydroxide. It is converted into sodium phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide ion is react with carbon dioxide. At 15 degrees centigrade, it is converted into orthosodium salicylate, and at 240 degrees centigrade, it is converted into parasodium salicylate. It is also known as sodium hydroxybenzoate. Mechanism of the reaction is similar to the mechanism of other electrophilic substitution reaction. Carbon dioxide is act as an electrophile in this reaction. The pi bond of the phenoxide ion will attack the carbon of the carbon dioxide, which is an electrophilic center. As soon as it make the bond with carbon dioxide, the electrons from oxygen will move between the carbon and oxygen, and we get intermediate just look like this. This is an unstable intermediate because इसमें आपको कोई भी aromaticity नज़र नहीं आएगी. जैसे ही पाई बॉन्ड अटैक करेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ, सिग्मा बॉन्ड बनाने के बाद रिंग की aromaticity डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई है. To regain the aromaticity and the stability of the product, the proton from this position will be removed. As soon as the proton will be removed, the electron again shifted towards the oxygen atom and make the negative charge on the oxygen atom. These negative charge on the oxygen atom attract the proton, which is released from the reaction mixture, and it is converted into hydroxybenzoic acid. Orthosalicylate isomers is obtained, and the negative charge is attract the sodium ion in the reaction mixture and converted into sodium hydroxybenzoate or the sodium salicylate. At 15 degrees centigrade, sodium salicylate is obtained, and at 240 degrees centigrade, at 15 degrees centigrade, orthoisomers is obtained, and about 240 degrees centigrade, the para isomers is obtained. And in the orthoisomers, there is also hydrogen bonding take place between the OH hydrogen of OH and oxygen of C double bond O negative. This is known as intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and due to the presence of these intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the orthoisomer is a major product in this reaction. Oxidation of phenol. Phenol are very reactive towards oxidizing agent. The oxidation take place through several steps, and it also destroy the aromatic ring. So phenol can be oxidized in a very strong oxidizing agent. Phenol in the presence of chromic acid or oxygen or sodium dichromate, it is converted into para-benzoquinone. In the para-benzoquinone, aromaticity of the ring is destroyed. What is the difference between alcohol and phenol? In alcohol, OH group is attached to alkyl group, but in phenol, OH group is attached to aryl group, or it is attached into benzene ring. Alcohol is the hydroxyl derivative of alkane, while phenol is the hydroxyl derivative of benzene. In alcohol, one hydrogen of the water is replaced by an alkyl group, while in phenol, one of the hydrogen is replaced by an aryl or the benzene group. General formula of alcohol is ROH. When alkyl group is attached with OH, or one of the H is replaced by an alkyl group, then it is known as alcohol. General formula of phenol is C6H5. C6H5 represent phenyl or aryl group. When aryl group is bounded to hydroxyl group, then it is known as phenol. Lower alcohol are colorless liquid, but phenol are colorless crystalline solid having melting point 41 degrees centigrade. Alcohol has sweet smell and the burning taste, but the phenol has a phenolic odor. pK value of alcohol is 16 to 20 and pK value of phenol is 10. Phenol is more acidic than alcohol because pK value of phenol is less than pK value of alcohol, and less pK value mean more will be the acidic character. Alcohol are readily soluble in water, but solubility is decreased in higher alcohol, while phenol at the room temperature it is springly soluble in the water, it forming the pink color. And phenolate ion have some resonating structure, but alcohol doesn't have any resonating structure. This is all about today lecture. Hope so all the things are clear to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.